Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the public storage app. So let's get started. So you have to follow this easy method. If you are an Apple user, then you can use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, then you should use your Google Play Store. So at here, you will just go to Google search bar, and if you're an Android user, then you can directly search for public storage app. So here we can see public storage. I will just click on here, and then you have to click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your device. If you scroll down, you can also see the app ratings from here, and you can also rate the app from here as well. So it is very easy to use it, and I confirm that you can directly do from here, and it is a very good app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.